Hi everyone, it's Jen Sheffer, and in this quick Discovery Education tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your profile and make changes to the personalization of your Discovery Education experience. So you can see here, I'm in my Discovery Education dashboard, and what I'm going to do is click on the profile icon in the upper right-hand corner, and I'm going to click on View Profile. Now, when you initially create your Discovery Education account, you will be prompted to select subject areas and areas of interest that you want, as well as grade levels. But if you want to make any changes to that, either add or delete different aspects of your account, you would do it here in this area. First, you can see here on the left-hand side, you have your school and the district, as well as your email. If you need to make any changes to that, you're going to click on Edit. You'll come down here. In terms of job title, Discovery Ed gives several different choices for you. And if that is all accurate, then what you would do here is you'll see that there's activity and history. So everything you've searched for, anything you have viewed, anything you have added will be here. And these are all clickable links. So if you needed to go back, you could in this area. The other thing I want to point out is that personalization section. So when we click on this, this is where you can create a totally personalized experience by selecting multiple categories that will describe your interests, and you will have to save your selections at the bottom. So you would indicate the grade levels that you're teaching, subjects, and interests. So if there's anything additional that you wanted to add, you would just simply click on those additional areas, and then you're going to click Save, and Discovery Ed is going to update your profile, and then the content that is suggested for you will correlate to those subjects in the areas of interest that you've indicated. So again, that is how you would change your profile from your dashboard. I'm just going to move my webcam real quick. When I go to my Discovery Ed dashboard, you'll see that I'm here. And again, clicking on your profile, view profile is where you can make changes to your account. So I hope this has been helpful, and thank you so much for watching.